Semi Julius Migosi Ogamba nigaikirana ase skuru y'obubundi ya Eldoret ime county ya Uasin Gishu asebaikirania omuyiga obukobekera aborokia egutwa okwana nigayanike buna eserikali nigebegete emerobere y'ogosira chiskuru cy'obubundi korengana n'umurobero OCB elyo koeneke buna maigaya maigerio keroyomo nkonyorale emirimo korengana n'okugania gwechiro.
This polytechnic contributes to Kenya's technical workforce in terms of artisans, technicians, technologists, and innovators. And this achievement is indeed worth celebrating. As you mark 40 years of existence, you also mark a legacy of empowering thousands of young people who are today contributing meaningfully to our economy. Ladies and gentlemen, the government of Kenya, under the leadership of His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, remains firmly committed to equipping our youth with employable skills that meet the demands of both present and future labor markets. Through the modular curriculum and the competency-based education and training, and all our other policies, including the recognition of prior learning and the dual training policy, we are not only imparting theoretical knowledge, but also ensuring that our trainees gain practical, hands-on competencies aligned with local and international industry standards. We are reforming the TVET system to strengthen industry engagement, and the partnership between TVET institutions and industry is no longer optional. It is essential, and that is what the MP was referring to, that we now have a dual training policy that requires that we partner with industry, we partner with all the government projects that are taking place so that our trainers become part and parcel of the workforce in those projects.